Well, my hard-earned money that I saved up to buy this truck and had it customized the other day to be able to put dually trucks on it. Medium duty truck. Bought from LA. Don't ever buy anything from Tow Industries in LA. They're liars, manipulators, and con artists. They take from the middle class people that are trying to run a business. And screw us. I've only had this truck 2 months. And to come to find out with their 100-point inspection that this truck had a crack in it. And it's leaking. I spent $15,000 on this truck. It's beautiful 2000 GMC with only 140,000 miles on it. Brought it back to Arizona. Yeah, to put it to work for my family, so I can work and teach my family value, American values, trust, loyalty, and respect. Hard-earning money, not government money, where you get it for free. I'm not about that. I lived poor. I lived in the ghetto, worked hard. My mother had 8 kids and she did it by herself. So yeah. Well, I got screwed. $15,000 for this truck. $2,000 in taxes I had to pay here in Arizona. Plus another $3,500 in repairs on this truck. I worked hard, People like me that came from nothing and did something with our lives to make it better for our kids or our family, whoever, We don't deserve to get ripped off, But we did, and we do. Now I have to fucking figure out what the hell I'm gonna do now that I just spent about, $21,000, and where the hell am I gonna come up with that? Because the government ain't gonna give me or help me with anything, because the middle class people gotta pay for their own medical. We get our taxes raised high, and we get help from nothing unless we are poor or we're rich. And we got to carry the burden of America on our back with high taxes. Thank you for ripping me off and trying to push me back into my ghetto life. But all I'm going to do is prevail, because this is just a setback. Just got to work my butt even harder, my black ass even harder. Yes, I am black descent and Latino mixed. So, it's okay. Because this colored boy is going to work my ass off. I'll fix it. And she'll be running. Well, she does run. I use her every day. But I will fix her. It's just a setback. Sad. How you can't trust anybody in America anymore. All we're filled up with was hate and vengeance. That's all we are. We didn't learn nothing from our history, did we? No, we didn't. But it doesn't matter. Maybe I can pass on the value. Because when I see a brother and sister in help, I'll extend my hand. And maybe they could pass it on to somebody else and help them bring our values back to America. Because we were built from immigrants. I'm an idiot, but immigrants. This country was built on immigrants. And that's what our nation should be. Full of love and respect for one another. And prosperity for each other. Not hate and violence and criticizing each other. Pass on the love, America. I'm mad. I'm pissed. But why am I going to go destroy property, lash out, to look like a fool like the people on TV? No. God judges those who judge. All I'm going to do is pass love and help as many people as I can. Maybe somebody will help me one day, whenever I need it. Yeah, I need it, but you know what? I got 2 hands God gave me. God gave me feet, so I'll get off my ass and I'll just work even harder. That's God's value, and that's America's value. That's what America pledges to. Under God, indivisible with liberty and justice for all. Oh well, thank you for listening to me, even though I'm mad. Had a vent off. Well, thank you. And Toad Lives Matter. Slow down and move the fuck over. Because you guys are literally killing us. LOL.